Don't slip up and not realize you're the best. Always be willing to progress.
Cook good and look good.
Hey, what's up? It's your girl Queemie Jones, and this is a Cook Good and Look Good Chronicles. And I promise y'all, I've been making the same video for the last couple weeks, just trying to condense it down, but stuff keep on happening. All glory be to God, because I believe without God I would not be here. Allahu Akbar. This shit be horrible, bro. I don't know how I'm still doing it, at all. At all. It just gotta be God. It just gotta be God. Okay, so instead of me just crying and just being extra emotional, what happened was March was literally March Madness. Accidents, death responsibility, this year I got rejected for surgery and I have to find another hospital to get a second opinion. My technology for recording caught on fire. My notebooks where I keep all my notes caught on fire. My sisters are safe, but along with that, my LLC almost got break. It was a whole shelf that was a fucking thing. And I just had gotten my LLC in March, but in April, the fire happened, and I'm like, so much stuff happened in April, bro. I'd rather just fight, to be honest. When I was younger, for discipline, I used to get to pick between, working out and, PTing or getting an ass whooping. I'd really just rather give life an ass whooping because I feel like it's making me PT. You feel me? I'm working so hard. I got content coming for MIT, Harvard. I got unique cooking videos coming out, man. And I'm just putting my foot in it as much as I can because I'm just tired. Why I'm working this hard? Because, bitch, I need a yacht. You feel me? I don't need a yacht, but I need a shrimping boat or a crabbing boat. I don't know. I need me some I want to have a container home mansion or shit like that. I want big kahuna. I'm so whooped out. Bro, I'm whooped out. I passed on the cement too in March. When I tell you it was March Madness, no basketball team had anything on my life, bro. Okay? No basketball team was out here winning and just being crazy like how my March was. You feel me? Don't get it twisted, boo-boo. Do not. It was crazy. So crazy. I'm working so hard because I want to move on up. I would like a room, an apartment. I would like to have a PCA or a personal assistant where, they could just watch a girl, when I be tired and stuff like that. And then I would love to not have, be in a city, you know what I'm saying? But there's so much networking and things that I have to do as a benefit. But, I feel like when I'm not in the city, I'm not as toe up. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to worry about 112,000 things. Coming for my mother freaking mental state and everything that I've created, and I don't have to worry about them whack ass setbacks and shit like that. But needless to say, I'm just baby, God is gonna have to cover me, and I'm up here sweating bullets. I ain't got no fucking hot water, dog. I gotta boil the water. This is some dude crazy. I need time to be set out specifically for my greatness. I need space, honey. I do. Because for the last 4 years, I've been here almost. I've been living in the living room and I've been living in my sister's room. My youngest sister about to be 6 feet. By the time I come back from Vermont, shout out to going to Vermont because I worked out a really good opportunity to be able to go there for a majority of the summer. And inshallah, do some more shit. But by the time I come back, she gonna be like 6'1", 6'2". You know how summer be? You start off thinking that your baby gonna be little, but then next thing you know, it's like a chia type situation. And then my middle sister, she's having her first job, and I'm just like, oh my God, I gotta give me some space because they about to be doing whatever they about to be doing. And doing it well. Like, not in a weird, crazy way, but like they're creative, beautiful geniuses, little girls, okay? And I need you to know that they need some space because if they get a kid to me, you know, sometimes you're gonna need that space. Not all the time, but sometime. I'm just trying to keep it cool because I feel like a lot of time my life requires me to push extremely hard so I can get rewarded. And oh my God, I know something good coming from me, honey. I know something good coming from me. Down there, I can feel it. Because this hoe be wrangling on my life. It just be wrangling. It be wrangling. It be like Wrangler jeans. It be just whoop-pow. I really want an apartment. I want to get monetized and get a apartment. I want that little apartment like no business. But I need tech for the apartment so I can push a button if something happen to me. And some, you know, the type of like Alexa or something like that. Something that I can just be able to get help. And maybe, I don't know if it's a life alert what it is up to, turn or what. Nah, I need shit like that. I love to move in and do bigger and better things, but I just want to start simple and basic and try to move on up because a PCA is $4,000 a month, and a PA is about $1,000, give or take, a month. So I need those things because I just want to be able to prosper and do better in my life. Because this shit is not easy, dude. And I be forcing not being nonverbal and shit like that. And, because I want to succeed. This shit is real. Like, I be waking up some mornings and I don't even be sounding like how I sound. And I know it. Because it takes so much to just do it. But I'm going to do it. I just be going through it. Because my dreams was worth it. And by the end of the summer, baby, you gonna know about me. So, I just be sad because it's a lot of open work. You know what I'm saying? I'm stumping this through. Sometimes I pretend like it's easy. Just to feel like that. It feel good until it's not easy. Like my brain be like, clicked off. But it was supposed to be click off. Just pray for me. Pray for yourselves. Pray for your health. Pray for your wealth. And progress. See, I'm not crying no more. It all worked out, I guess. Inshallah. It's your girl, Queemie Jones. Bye.
If you're black, I'm following back.